श्री राधा विनोद बिहारी जीव की जय। जय श्री श्री गोविंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन जीव की जय। जय नित्य लीला पृष्ठम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतनाम वेदांत शिरवानंद श्री महाराज की जय। जय नित्य लीला पृष्ठम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतनाम वेदांत शिरवानंद श्री महाराज की जय। जय नित्य लीला पृष्ठम अष्टोत्तर शतनाम प्रज्ञान केशव गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। नित्य लीला पृष्ठम विष्णुपाद सिद्धांत सरस्वती प्रभुपाद की महाभारत महाराज की सच्चिदानंद भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर की जय। वैष्णव सर्वश्री जगन्नाथ दासजी महाराज की जय। श्री रूपान गुरुवर्ग की जय। जय गोप कवि गोवर्धन श्री गिरिराज महाराज की जय। राधा कुंड श्याम कुंड ललिता विशाखा आदि सरस्वती वृंद की जय। श्री रूप मंदिर 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 गुलाब मंदिर शिवलिंग की जय। गौर नित्यानंद जीव की जय। हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय। अनंत कोटि वैष्णववृंद की जय। गौर प्रेमानंदे ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे। हे कृष्णा करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधो जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ओम वृंदावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया केशवस्य प्रवेदे तावीनापराधलक्ष्यै क्षिप्ताश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्ना वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं चरणारविन्दं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं। भजामि राधां अरविन्दनेत्रं स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मितास्यं वदामि राधां करुणाभराद्रां ततो ममान्नास्ति गतिर्न कापि। हा देवी काकुवरगदगदयद्वाच जाचनी पत्ते भुवि दण्डवदुर धर्विके निजगणे गणनां विधि अंगश्यामलिविच्छटामन्दिकितेन्द्रियवरं जड्डं जाचुगुरुरोचिषं पट्टम्बरस्य श्रिया बिन्दारुनिवासिनो विलसद्धामदिदामोदरं राधास्कन्दनिवेशनोज्जलो भुजं ध्यायं स्तुदामोदरम्। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. So first of all, I offer my humble respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Guru Pad Brahma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Sapasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Siddhavananda Sri Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Siddhavananda Sri Maharaj. Simultaneously, I offer my humble respectful Dhanavad Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Sapasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Govinda Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakha Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnava Vaishnavis, and pageantries, all of my respectful guests. So continue, we also discuss about Krishna Tattva Katha. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself told to Sanatana, Krishna Swarup Vichar Suna Sanatana. Krishna Swarup Vichar Suna Sanatana, Advai Gan Tattva Krishna Braji Brajendra Nandan. Mahaprabhu told Sanatana, listen about Krishna Tattva Vichar. Because Tattva Gyan is very important in our spiritual life. Srila Jiva Goswami Pad in Sandarbha explained Tattva philosophy. This is called the foundation of our spiritual life. And Rasa Darshan, the mellows of the scriptures, that is called the big palace. If you want to build one big building, and 10, 15 storage building, need a strong foundation. If your 10 storage, 20 storage building foundation is not very strong, you can't to build that building. So need what? Foundation. In the same way, Tattva Gyan, the conception of the scriptures, philosophy, this is very important in our spiritual life. Okay? A Rasa Darshan, that is called big palace. Understand? If you also to build that the building and foundation, if you build the foundation, need also first soil test, soil test. Engineer, first you test that the soil, this soil is perfect or not, how meter the pillar will go under the earth, everything will be checked. Then you can properly to build that the palace. In the same way, in our spiritual life, first you collect the sukriti, that is called spiritual pious activities. Spiritual pious activities, sukriti. Bhaktistu bhagavad bhakta samena parijayati satsanga prapate pumbhi sukriti purva sanchita. Hari bhakti subhadaya, what is this part? With the association of pure devotee, Bhakti Devi will manifest in the heart of devotee. But without Sukriti, you cannot get the Sadhu Sangha. Sadhu Sangha, this is very important. But how will you get the Sadhu Sangha? When your Sukriti, that means spiritual pious activity, accumulated and matured, then you will get the association of sadhu sangha. Or with the association of sadhu, then Bhakti Devi will manifest in your heart. So Hari Bhakti Subhadaya quoted this verse. Bhaktistu bhagavakta sangana parijayati satsanga prapati pumbhi sukriti purva sanchiti. Sukriti purva sanchiti, not one word, many words. When you collected that Sukriti is when matured, then you will get the association of sadhu. So Sukriti's duty is to bring to you in front of sadhu. Just in morning I gave an example. You can bring one horse in front of the pond. That horse will drink the water from the pond or not. This is depend on him. This is the main thing. Because Lord Bhagavan, He gives us independency, potency, Swatantra Sakti. Lord is very merciful. Many ways He also arranged to us how to get bhakti. How will get bhakti? He arranged to us also. Because without bhakti, any method you cannot attain to Lord. For this regard, Lord Himself, with His Achinta Shakti, inconceivable potency, He arranged to us. But conditional soul, they don't want to associate with sadhu. This is the main. Dadami buddhi yogam tang janamang upajanti te. Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says also, Dadami buddhi yogam. I am giving the buddhi yoga. Intelligence. Discrimination power. Everything I am giving to you. But conditional soul, they have in this, what is called Swatantra Shakti. So for this regard, sometimes conditional soul, they misuse that independence potency. Everybody knows what is good and what is bad. So why they are performing bad things? This is they are called the bad virtue. Durbhagya. Good fortune and bad fortune. This is the Durbhagya. Durbhagya, understand? We are conditioned souls. They don't want to associate with sadhu. Why? Another thing. Pisachi paile jano motichanna hoy mayabaddha jiver sivha udam. If the ghost which possesses someone's body, that time he can do many things. Actually, who is doing? Inside the which ghost? He is doing. By external, we are looking what this person is doing. Actually, who is doing? Ghost. Who is that the ghost? Maya Pisachi. So the Pisachi paile jano motichanna hoy mayabaddha jiver sevai uday. One is on soul. The complete word illustrated by Maya. Krishna arranges us how to get association, how to get bhakti, everything is arranged. But conditioned soul, they don't want to take bhakti. You don't want to go in front of sadhu, but sadhu comes in front of you. But you don't want to get association. So what to do? This is true. If I tell you come Vrindavan, then I have no money. Then I am saying, okay, I am coming in front of you. Then I have no time. First told, I have no money. And tell, okay, please come Vrindavan. Maharaj, I have no money. How will go to Vrindavan? Okay, don't go Vrindavan. I am coming in front of you. You come. That's your Maharaj. I have no time. Look. So for this regard here also, Mayabaddha jiver nahi Krishna smriti gyan. Jiver kripay Krishna koilo vedadi puran. Chaitanya Charitamrita. Mayabaddha jiv, conditioned soul, they have known about Krishna. Krishna is our heart and soul. Krishna is our mother, Krishna is our father. Tameva mata, tameva pita, tameva sakha, bandhuscha tameva. He is our mother, father, everything. And Lord is our ever well wisher. And Gauraganda Goswami Maharaj, he told one very nice, beautiful story also. Lord is our ever well wisher. Always with us. And giving good instruction to us. But we are not accepting Lord's mercy. But every day we are saying, oh God, give me mercy, give me mercy. And Lord is giving mercy. Every day rain coming. Top of the mountain also rain. But there is no water because there are no, what is called? Receiving or no further rain not in the top of the mountain, rain coming down. In the same way, Guru Vaishnava Bhagavan always giving mercy to us. But conditioned soul is as like ghost. So think Pisachi paile jano motichanna hoy. Mayabaddha jivir seva uday. So now coming in this way. Lord is our ever well wisher. First I tell you this story, then you understand. there was one king. And that king, he was Kshatriya. King was Kshatriya. For this regard, Kshatriya's mind little bit also hot temper, you know. And Kshatriya Sabhav, the nature. The nature of Kshatriya, Khane Rushta, Khane Tushta. One moment happy with you, or another moment unhappy with you. Right? Unhappy. But that king is little bit love and affection with his minister. The minister, he was Brahman minister. So Brahman minister, he has love and affection with the Lord. So now king and minister, friendship. Wherever king used to go, then king, he also called his minister, please come with me. So king and minister, one day they plan to going to the forest to hunting the animals. Then minister told, okay, I will go. But minister, his nature, Sabhav, spontaneous nature, faith with God. For this regard, every time he chanted one very sweet mantra. What mantra? God is our ever well wisher. Don't forget this. What did he say? God is our ever well wisher. But minister, when you speak this, king sometimes accepts, and sometimes not. He is Kshatriya. King is Kshatriya, no? Our minister is Brahman. So Brahman Sabha, faith in God. So for this regard, minister always use this mantra. God is our ever well wisher. But king sometimes accepts, sometimes no. Because king hot temper sometimes. But anyhow, one day, king, minister and his small troops, armies, they proceed to the forest to hunting the animals. King is going front and seated one very nice, beautiful black horse. Our minister behind him, his horse, white horse, white, ministers. And behind maybe 5 or 10 armies, they are going. Then king, minister and his troops, army enter in the deep forest. Going, tuck, 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 going. In the forest, the path is sometimes a very narrow path. Only one person can go. So king horse enter in first. But in the mountain, one very poisonous black serpent, about 2 or 3 meters, black serpent, raise his hood, red eyes, and fangs, and long tongue, and make his out hiss, hiss, hiss. The king's horse become very afraid. So much breath coming from his nose. So the black horse jumped over the hood of the snake. In this way, king drove the horse. But accidentally, king fell down from the back of the horse. And very close to the snake. Snake become very angry. because the horse jumped over the foot of the snake. For this regard, snake become very angry. When king fell down from the back of the horse, that then snake very quickly bite the small finger of the king. And snake bite. Then snake enter in one hole. Minister behind he noticed. Then minister very quickly got down from the back of his white horse. Then minister took his sword, very quickly choked the small finger of the king. Because minister very intelligent. He thinking, if I not cut the finger, then very quickly the snake poison coming and spread all over his body, and king will be die. The king is very intelligent, IQ. When minister choked the finger of king, so much blood come and so much pain also. King understood why minister choked his finger. He understood. It's true. And so much pain. Then king very quickly torn off his cloth. So much blood floating from his finger. Then king also torn off his cloth and bandage the king's finger. So much blood coming. But I told minister, always he chanted the special mantra. What is the special mantra? You forget. God is our ever well wisher. Doing this way. Minister also bandage his king's finger and mantra. One time, 2 times, minister chanted this mantra, but king become very angry. King become very angry because Kshatriya. What is God? One time, 2 times. Why you saying this God is our ever wisher? How is God is our ever wisher? Snake bite me. Then you also choked my finger. I lost my finger. And so much blood also floating. And also so feeling pain. Or you are saying God is our ever well wisher. How possible? King become very angry. And Kshatriya king. Then he king very serious. He gave order his armies, put him in the jail, dungeon, in the Karagar, in dark jail. Stupid nonsense. Minister, Brahmana, Brahman minister. I lost my finger, snake bite me. I am feeling so much pain, or you are saying God is our ever well wisher. Sometimes coming or not. When you are feeling something pain in your heart, then you are lose your faith or something else. Sometimes you lose your faith because you are Kanishta Adhikari. If you are Madhyam Adhikari, then you will be strong according to the knowledge of the scriptures. Or Uttam Adhikari, then you will be think, this is true. God is our ever well wisher. Actually, this word is what? Those who are that Uttam Bhagavat. Uttam Bhagavat always he thinks this. God is our ever well wisher. So now coming this way, king seriously ordered his armies, put him in jail. And king also told, no need to follow to me. I'll go alone in the forest to hunting the animals. King, again he also jumped on the back of his horse entered in the deep forest. Then armies, they arrested the king, a minister, and put him in dungeon. Dungeon, understand? Dark jail. So king, he entered the deep forest. Going. But suddenly, he lost the path. Way. And if you go to the forest, you are looking very nice path. Then after some time, you could not find out which way you will go. This way. And that very difficult also again to return back, come back. Many ways going this way. Understand? As like the holes of the rat. Mouse, they also making the hole many. You cannot find it this way. Understand? In the same way, if you go alone in the forest, after some times you cannot find out how you go. For this regard, those who are traveling in the forest, they also taking some, what is called? Compass. I mean, compass mein kam nahi aega. Taking some, what is your paint, red or the, and put in the marks in the trees. Then you can go, they will understand, I am coming this thing. This is the intelligent. Otherwise you will lose. Because that in the forest same many trees are the same trees. How will you know these trees? So for this regard, when those who are going to the forest, they are taking some, what is called? Paint, what is called? Liquid paint. And painted the trees. Mark the plus mark or cross mark, they are giving. They are saying, I am going this way. And every 10-15 meters or 100 meters, they are also making the sign with the red paint. Then going. If they lose, then again they return back. Otherwise, how to return back? This is the intelligence. Understand? But king, he was alone. He had no paint, nothing. He entered in the deep forest and ride on the horse. Tuck. After some times, he lost the path. He could not find where to go. Many directions, this way. Even he could not find out how to return back also again. And in the meantime, some dacoits, maybe 50 or 40 dacoits, one group of dacoits in there. That dacoits, they also captured the king very quick. They are 50. Very quickly they came and caught king. And they very quickly, they also bind king's hands and legs with the rope. And they also bring it to king. And as like a hunter hunting the animals. Have you seen or not? Sometimes the hunter hunting the animals and bind their legs and put one stick inside the leg and they are carrying. In this way, the dacoits, they also bind the king, hands and legs with the rope, and they also carrying to king. Now king as like animals, beast. One dacoits told, and told to the king, do you know, hey king, where you are going? You are very lucky. You are very fortunate. Why? Because you are going to sacrifice in front of Devi Kali. And Devi Kali is the goddess of Kali. Kali, understand? India? Especially in Bengal, they also worship Devi Kali. And long tongue. Understand? And 4 hands. that Devi Kali will drink your blood. So you are very lucky. The king is, yes, I am very lucky. You sacrifice, you will cut my head. So I am very lucky. Actually, that's they are thinking. If you sacrifice the king in front of Devi Kali, then Kali, the goddess of Kali, will be very happy to us. Then we can earn, robbed, wealth, money, many things. Understand? For this regard, they brought to the king in the middle of the forest. And there are also small temple, Kali temple. And Devi goddesses Kali, they are also. They brought when they are first, they also clean to the king with the water. Then put one garland. What garland, you know? Red flowers garland. Understand? Devi Kali, she likes red flowers garland. Our Krishna Puja, we are not offering red flowers. But Devi Kali, tamasic puja, mode of ignorance. So Devi Kali, she likes completely what? Red color. And also one red cloth and bind around his neck. Have you seen? No. When they are sacrifice goat, they also they put one garland, red flowers garland, and also one small pieces of red cloth around it. And now king about to going to sacrifice in front of Devi Kali. Backwards Brahmanas also they chanting this mantra and Kali's Vedas mantra there. And Om Sri Hing Ding Jing 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 Om Rudra Kali. Kali's mantra is there. Almost king is going to sacrifice. And big sword, very sharp sword. And if I have to cut king's head with once chop, not 2 times, once. So one. Then king is thinking what to do now. But again and again the Dakud is saying, hey king, do you know you are very lucky, you are very fortunate. Devi Kali, she will drink your royal blood because you are king. Raj Rakta. King is thinking what to do now. Almost going to chop his neck. In the meantime, one Dakud told, hey, stop! Don't sacrifice the king. Well, what happened? Look, this king is not perfect. Imperfect. Well, what is imperfect? Look, the king has no one finger. Because in their Tamasic Shastra explain, if you sacrifice to someone, Narabali understand? To sacrifice the human being. Should be perfect person. Perfect means his hands, legs, eyes, nose, everything should be perfect. No angahani. All his limbs and body should be perfect. Look, this king has no finger, small finger. So this is imperfect. If you imperfect person sacrifice to Devi Kali will be angry with us. And hita viparit. Bad reaction will come. Stop, stop. Then that dacoit gave information, message to his gang leader, who is the topmost gang leader. Then gang leader, he came, he noticed, yeah, this is true. The king has no finger, small finger. Then he become very angry with his associates. Chastisement them. Hi, stupid nonsense. Why did you bring this imperfect person to sacrifice Devi Kali? Time is, why did you not see before? Now time is over. I will get the others. Bali, sacrifice. Then gang leader become very angry with his associates and followers. And he told, order, get out this person, king. Bring any animals or what you will get, bring. Then the old dacoity also released the king from sacrifice and also get out here. Then king very quickly jumped and seated on the back of the horse and very quickly. Understand? Then king is thinking, oh my God. Very quickly king came out from the jungle. But king, he did not go his house. First king came in the jail, dungeon where minister is there. Then king first met with minister and told this story. And tears rolling down. Then king very upset and what is called? Apologized. And tears rolling down and he told, oh, this is my fault. I am king, I am Kshatriya. For this regard, I gave you punishment to you. Please forgive me. And now he realized, you told that time the God is our ever well wisher. King very humble. So now he realized. Then minister heart also melted. Minister told, oh king, don't worry. You put me dungeon. Also, God is our ever well wisher. Then king became very surprised. How possible? I lost my finger. For this regard, they did not sacrifice me. But I put you in the dungeon. But still you are saying, God is our ever well wisher. Then minister told, hey king, listen this philosophy. This is true. You lost your finger. For this regard, that dacoits, they did not sacrifice to you. If would you not to put me in the dungeon, and if we will go with you, then the dacoits, they would also have captured to us. Because you told they were how many? 50 or 60. Or we are only few. So how to fight with them? And they are dacoits. They are staying in the jungles. They are very clever. How to go this way, this. Understand? In the jungle, so many small mountains also there. They hide. They were very easily they captured to us. Would I go with you? But they must sacrifice to us. They would not sacrifice to you because you lost your finger. But my finger, everything is your perfect and Brahmana. So you put me dungeon, this is also our. God is our ever will Vaisakha. When minister told these things, then king's heart melted, then king realized this is true. Lord is our ever will Vaisakha. Balavindavan Bihari Lal Ki. Eh? So Guru Govinda Goswami Maharaj, he told this story also. Always sadhaka think the Lord is our ever will Vaisakha. He knows. If you surrender to Lord, God always will protect you. Rakhe Hari, Mare Ke, or Mare Hari, Rakhe Ke. Means is what? If God protects you, no one kills you. Or if God is thinking, kill to you, no one can protect you. Eh? So always think, God is our ever will Vaisakha. Always think, Guru and Krishna is our ever will Vaisakha. Eh? Sometimes you cannot understand. Yeah, how possible? Guru and Krishna, they are our ever will Vaisakha. Sometimes you confuse. But every second, every moment you try to understand this. Eh? So, always with this faith, in the instruction of Guru and Krishna. So now coming in this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to Sanatana Goswami, he Sanatana, listen about Krishna Tattva. What is the first Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told? What is the Krishna Tattva? Krishna Sarup Vichar Suna Sanatan Advaitam Tattva Braje Brajendra Nandan. Krishna is called non-dual. Advaitam Paratattva. He is the supreme personality of Godhead. But in his inconceivable potency, Achinta Sakti, he manifests many forms. Ananta Sakti. Ekameva Paramatam. Sahavika Achinta Sakta. Sarupa Tadrupa Vaiva Jiva Pradhana Rupena. Surja Mandala Tadrasmi Patichadi Rupena Chaturdha Avatistate. Lord is one, but he manifests many forms. But his origin form is Braje Brajendra Nandan. This is his original form. He is son of Nanda Maharaj. Dibhuj Muralidhar. He plays the flute, 2 hands. Very nice, beautiful, smiling face. And yellow garments. Varaha Pidam, Natabara Boku Karnikaram Vibrati. Varaha Pidam, Natabara Boku Karnikaram. Vibrata Vasu Kanakavisam Vajantamalam. Rangan Veno Radha Sudhaya Purana Gopavrindani. Vindaranam Sapadarmanam Pravisata Vidikirti. Kosturi Tilakam Larata Patali. Bakkastali Kostubam. Nasagre Varamuktikam Karatravenu Kari Kankanam Sarvangi Hari Chandana Sulitam Kante Chamuktavali Gopostri Parivestito Vijayate Gopala Chudamani. Kosturi Tilakam Lalata Patali. Very nice, beautiful tilak with the Kosturi. Kosturi, understand? Bakkastale Kostubam Mani. Very nice, beautiful. Kostuf money. Very, very valuable and precious jewels. Kostuf money. Nasagre Varamuktikam. In the nursery. Very nice, beautiful. And pearls. Varamuktikam. Mukta. And pearls. And Nasagre Varamuktikam. And what? Kusturi Tilakam Lalata Patale Bakkasturi Kustubam Nasagre Varamuktikam Karatale Venu. He keeps the flute in his hand. Krishna Ji. Varinandan Krishna the son of Nanda Maharaj, Krishna, he always keeps the flute. 1 second, he can't also leave the flute. Always he keeps the flute, holds flute. In his hand, very nice, beautiful, golden bangles. Mother Jasodasi put. Karatale venu kare kankaram. Sarvange Harichandana Sulalitam. On his body, very nice, beautiful, Harichandana. Karatale venu kare kankaram. Sarvange Harichandana Sulalitam. Kanthecha Muktavali. Gopastri Pariveshtito. Nice, also very beautiful. Muktamala. One, the garlands or pearls garland around his neck. And Gopastri Pariveshtito Vijayate Gopala Churamani. All his gopis surrounded him. This is called Krishna Dhyan. The meditation about Krishna. So now Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, hey Sanatana, listen, Krishna is called Advaigan Paratattva. He is one, non-dual. But he manifests many forms. Vaikuntha, Ajudha, Dwaraka, Mathura, many forms. And with his inconceivable potency, Shakti, with his 3 Shaktis, he has innumerable potency, Shakti. Chit Shakti, Jiva Shakti and Maya Shakti. Mainly 3 potencies. He has 3 potencies. Chit Shakti, with his Chit Shakti, he manifests Chit Jagat, transcendental world, Vaikuntha, Ajudha, Dwaraka, Mathura, Golo Vrindavan. Maya Shakti, with his external potency, Bhairanga Shakti, he creates this material world. How many material worlds? Innumerable material worlds. Ananta Brahmanda. Not only one. We are living, this Brahmanda, this planet is what? Smallest. And this Brahmanda's Malik, owner, Brahmaji, who is the creators of the Brahma. He has how many heads? 4. But in this way, innumerable, not only one, millions, Brahmanda. And that Brahma also what? Their heads also, thousand, millions. Head is Brahma is also there. But sometimes Brahma, who has 4 head is Brahma, sometimes a false egos come. He is thinking, I am alone one Brahma. Tell one very story. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told one story. Once Brahma, 4-headed Brahma, he came in Dwarkapuri. Dwarkapuri, want to meet with Krishna. When Brahmaji, he came in the palace of Dwarka, then gatekeeper, Krishna's gatekeeper, Darakshak, gatekeeper, security guard, stopped him. What do you want? Well, Brahmaji told, I want to meet with Krishna. Then gatekeeper told, okay, wait. I asked my Lord, Krishna, is busy or he has time to meet with you? First take permission, then he will go. Then Brahmaji, he was waiting outside of the Dwarkapuri, Dwarka palace. That time Krishna was very busy because he is king of Dwarka, Dwarkadish. Understand? He is looking many things, many papers, Maybe 2 hours, gatekeeper, he is waiting in front of Krishna. After 2 hours, then Krishna asks, hey, gatekeeper, what do you want? Well, one person has come, he wants to meet with you. Then Krishna asks, who has come? Go. Ask his name. Who has come? Then gatekeeper again returned back. Gatekeeper asked to Brahmaji, hey, what is your name? my Lord Krishna asked. Then Brahmaji told. First Brahmaji's little bit confusion coming. Krishna is Bhagavan. He does not know me. So why did he ask me? Why did you ask you who has come? Who is Bhagavan? He has, what is the qualification? Sarvagata, no? Sarvagata means all-knowing power. Sometimes disciples also confused with Guru. Hey Gurudev, do you know my name? Are it thousand disciples, not only one? Those who are communicated but coming very close can remember. Or those who are just taking Diksha and ran away after 10 years, then return back, Gurudev, what is my name? My God, 10 years he did not, no communication, nothing. So how do you remember me? And Gurudev, you forget me. 10 years he forgot Guru. This is not his fault. Gurudev, you forget me. Then Gurudev will okay. I remember. But suddenly Gurudev knows, he gives many spiritual names. Oh, maybe your name, what is your name? Govinda Priya. Ha, Gurudev. Sometimes you also do this. So now coming this. So Brahmaji, this is also confusion coming. If Krishna is Bhagavan, how possibly he forgot me? I have come here. Bhagavan, he has Sarvagata, all-knowing power. Okay, Brahmaji told, okay, tell to Krishna, my name is, what is his name? Brahmaji. Then a gatekeeper again come and close the door. Understand? Security guard. Close the door, again coming. Brahmaji where? Outside of the gate. Pura identify need. Then you have to enter. Dwarkapuri is not so easy to enter. Even the security guard, one colony, that gatekeeper is there not. So your ID, and what is your ID? So your passport, driving license, many things. Also give where you will go, which house you will go, give his telephone number, you are perfectly, he invite you or not. Maybe you are dacoit, but who knows? Then you give the telephone number, this number, house number, then he call, or this person has come to meet with you. Do you know this person? Maybe also are showing you the photo to that him. Understand? Now the modern science, many things also. Or do you know this person is not? Because this is the responsibility of the gatekeeper. Every month 10,000 reais, not 10,000 money they are paying. So they have the responsibility. Coming, who is coming? Terrorist or not? You're looking, okay, do you know this person? Your friend? He's saying your friend. You look, this is your friend. Then he's looking his big screen in his house and contrary. Yes, no, I don't know this. Chalo. You cannot do. Now he's coming this way. Then gatekeeper again come in Sudharma Sabha, where Krishna is sitting. The assembly house name is called Sudharma Sabha. Assembly house name, Dwarkapuri. And again gatekeeper, when he came, Krishna also busy to looking his many papers, because he is king. Many papers, this, where tomorrow where will go, where not will go, many appointments, giving, understand? If you are big officer, also many. Or which king, what is not? Why not? You have to checking everything. And tomorrow, where is my appointment? Looking, big book. Again 2 hours, gatekeeper is then. Gatekeeper suddenly go, Krishna has come, one person. Hey, stop. Don't disturb. Sit down. Then after 2 hours, in Krishna looking, hey, gatekeeper, why you come? Oh, that person has come. His name is, what is his name? Brahmaji. Then Krishna, Brahmaji? Which Brahma? Ask him. Then again gatekeeper return back and again little bit open the door. Look how many hours. Already 6 hours passed. And outside so many mosquitoes. Outside no chair, nothing. Brahmaji is standing, and maybe mosquitoes, and they're biting 6 hours. Right? 6 o'clock he arrived, now 12 o'clock, midday. And so many. And oh, he's saying, Krishna is saying, what is your name? Brahma. He's saying, which Brahma? Well, which Brahma? Then Brahmaji is, so many confusion coming again. First confusion, Krishna is Bhagavan. Why did not he recognize to me? Now he is saying another question. What is the question? Which Brahma? Then Brahmaji have more confusion coming. What do you mean? That means accept me another Brahma. Brahmaji, he is always thinking, I am only one Brahma. Then Brahmaji is saying, okay, again also giving his advocate. Have you identity card? ID. He said, I have no ID. You have a driving license? Then Brahmaji said, I have one chariot that is called Hangsavahan. Brahmaji, he goes his own career that is called Hangsavahan. Brahmaji, he goes, and Brahmaji sits on his swan, on the back of his swan. No need also ID card. Understand? Oh my God. Okay, just tell to him, tell to Krishna, he, the father of 4 Kumaras, Chatusthanu Pita, Brahma. Remember. And 4-headed, the father of 4 Kumaras. Just this is my identification. Okay, again gatekeeper came. Also Krishna also busy, I told. Krishna is being writing many things, and where will go, tomorrow where will go, not go, kill to which demon, Didi. Krishna is busy. Again 2 hours, gatekeeper is waiting when Krishna will be here. So how many hours? 8 hours already passed. No breakfast, no lunch, Brahmaji outside, and so many mosquitoes. Oh my God. No chair. And so outside, no giving chair, no nothing, anything. No visitors there. After then he told, okay. Then gatekeeper told to Krishna, oh, his name is Brahma, Chaturmukh Brahma, the father of 4 Kumaras. Then Krishna, okay, let him come. Then again he come, gatekeeper again, door open, okay, come. Then Brahmaji, now is what is time now? 2 p.m. already. And Brahmaji is thinking, oh my God, from morning to now, 2 p.m., no breakfast, no lunch, no tea, nothing. No eating, no fruits, nothing. Then Brahmaji came in Sudharma Sabha. Then Krishna, very humble, said, Brahmaji, how are you? How is going your Brahmanda? Is going? Then Brahmaji paid his obeisances, Chaturmukh Brahma, and told, Prabhu, you are in this material world, so how possibly any problem will come? But I want to give answer to all 2 things, but one doubt in my heart. But what is your doubt? Because you told your gatekeeper, which Brahma? So I confused. That means, except me, another Brahma? Do you understand? Then Krishna smiled. Then Krishna, okay, sit down. Then Krishna just closed his eyes and remember, in that Sudharma Sabha, millions heads of Brahma. And their body is what? 2-3 times of this Chaturmukh Brahma. And I told, in this Brahmandas, Brahmas, how many heads? 4. And another 4. According to diameter of the Brahmanda, that Brahmanda is also what? Some also are 8-headed Brahma, some 16-headed Brahma, and thousand, million headed Brahma. All they came in the assembly house of Sudharma. Sudharma Sabha, understand? Sudharma Sabha, that assembly house means how many people will come? Always is what? Expanding, and you can stay in there. And 10 people will come, 10 people also can stay there. And you cannot get any space. 10 people, 100 people will come, 100 people can stay, expand. You cannot see any empty place. And this thing. That assembly house name is called Sudharma Sabha. So millions Brahma came, millions Brahmandas. Not only this, when Krishna just remember, million Shivas, Shivji came. These Brahmanda Shivjis, how many heads? How many heads? 5. Hey, Haribol, what is your name? Suval. Come here. How many heads of the Shiva? Are come here, come here. Come here. Nice boy. How many heads?
2.
Are Shivji, how many 2? Who told you?
I guess.
You guess. Have you seen the deities of the Shivji?
No.
You did not see Shiv temple. You did not go Shiv temple. Shiva. Shivji? 5. 5 heads. Shivji. Shivji, how many heads?
5.
5. How many your?
1.
You first check. This side. How many heads have you?
1.
1. Your mother?
1.
1. Your father?
1.
Your sister?
1.
Your brother? 1. Everybody 1. Okay. You are lucky. So for Brahmaji, how many seats? How many heads?
5.
5. No, Brahmaji 4. Shivji?
5.
5. Okay. Listen. So in this way, even the many also they are coming. Indra, Dikpal, all they came. And their body is very big body, gigantic body. But one thing, by Yogamaya, this 4-headed Brahma, Chaturmukh Brahma, he looks to everybody. But they did not see to each other. Others Brahmas, they are coming from different Brahmanda. They did not see to each other. They are thinking, oh, Krishna called me. All they are thinking, I am coming alone. Krishna called me. And all they also at a time paying their obeisances, lotus feet of Krishna. Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. This story actually Srimad Bhagavatam. And all they paying their obeisances, lotus feet of Krishna. And when they are giving the reverence, lotus feet of Krishna, pranam, that have all their crowns touching to each other and making sound. Jin, jin, jin. But this 4-headed Brahma, he is looking to everybody. How millions Brahma, millions Shivas, millions Indra, Dikpa, how they are giving them. This Brahma is looking himself. I am very small, as a big elephant or in front of one mosquito. And this 4th Brahma is looking this way. You heard that one Brahma, 400 million heads of Brahma, million heads of Shivas. Then Krishna smiled with them and asked to them, how are you? All they told individually. Hey Prabhu, now you are here. And So for this regard, we have no any problems. Eh? Eh? And they also asked one by one, "Hey Prabhu, why did you call to me?" Then Krishna very humble told, "Oh, so long time I did not see to you. So for this regard, I called you." Eh? So all they paid the visit. Then Krishna again told, "Okay, go back your palace." Then Brahma, Shiva, 100 million headed Brahma, Shivas, they disappear. Now 4-headed Brahma is there. Only he came then he came in front of Krishna and paid his obeisances. Then Brahmaji, 4-headed Brahma, he told Prabhu, now we realized. All my doubts solved. How? Then Brahma, 4-headed Brahma, I told Prabhu, before I was thinking, I was only one Brahma. But now your causeless mercy, and you also show to me million Brahma, Shivas, how they are giving obeisances, reverence to your lotus feet. Then Krishna told, yes, Brahma, listen. In my Sakti, inconceivable potential, Achinta Sakti, I create innumerable Brahmanda, not only one Brahma. You are the lowest Brahma. Just for this regard, you have only 4 heads. Then Brahmaji realized. Then Brahmaji, he told Prabhu, now all my doubts removed from me. Then Krishna told, Bhagavan means this one. Which Bhagavan, he, at a time, is 2 opposite qualities inside. Opposite qualities. Viparit gun. What is that? Sarvagata and Mugdhata. Sarvagata means all knows power. Yeah. And Mugdhata means is what? Completely forgets ignorance. But this is Bhagavan. In this material, not possible. Human being, not possible. You know everything, I don't know. You know everything, you don't know anything. This is not possible. But he is Bhagavan by his Yogmaya. He knows everything and simultaneously is completely what? Ignorant, innocent. Then Brahmaji realized these things. So which called Bhagavan. So for this reason, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, the Krishna Sarup Vichar Suna Sanatan Advai Gantatta Braje Brajendra. He is called Advai Gyan Paradatta. He is a non-dual, but his origin form in Braj, Vrindavan, that is called the son of Nanda Maharaj, and he plays the flute, 2 hands, and herding the cows, playing with the gopis, and intoxicating the heart of all the living entities with his 4 extraordinary qualifications. That is Gopama.